Okay, today is January 21, 2025. I got everything kind of ready for the floor trusses to be set. So why don't we jump to the beginning of the day. Just laying out the door to the basement. All right. So we'll build this wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 studs. 8 studs at 4'9.5" plus 53. Okay, start building this wall. Separate the plates. I've crowned all the studs. I have them all tipped one way. Okay, so I'm going to stand this. Not going to put any of the headers in, just makes it too heavy. I'll just put all that in piece by piece later. Okay, these are kicks. Keeps the bottom plate on the sill plates. So I'll just bring this inside plate up, plumb. Put the gun nearby, so I'm ready to nail it. All right, let's stand it. We'll try not jerk it too much. We don't want to open up that joint. Let's give her a go. Oh yeah. Okay, now this wall, it's my last exterior wall on the foundation. $107. Okay, let's build that wall. find the bearing wall line here. Okay, from the outside of the house, there to the inside of the bearing wall is 4'10". Just randomly set it again. Actually, we're going to do this a bit different. We're going to set it a little lower. Okay, we want to try find the red dot. I just seen it. There it is. We are 1'2". 4'10" less 1'2" is 3'8". There, got the red dot just on the tongue. The tape, 3'8". Same thing here. There it is. 1 foot, 1 1/4. So that'll be 3'8" and 3/4. Get that red dot right on the tongue of the tape. Perfect. Yep. 3'8" and 3/4. So from the back walkout wall to the beginning of that bearing wall is 14'11". 14'11". Right there. Okay, just laying out the studs, crowning them as I grab them. Laying all the crowns in the same direction. Cap plate. Oops. Okay, let's stand it. put a brace here to keep it from flopping in the wind.
Separate the bottom plate from the top plate. We'll nail the bottom plate to this door opening. Top plate. Cap plate. I think this has to come over 3.5. I can't remember. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, we'll stand it. That's completely the wrong way. There we go. Not bad.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to lay this out. We'll start in the back. 19.2 on center from the back. So hooked on the back, we're going to go 17 and a half and away. Now I'm just marking every black diamond on the tape. And the tape runs out at 35 feet. So take a 2-inch nail, put it right on the edge of this mark, and continue on. Same thing here. Anyways, at the end of the day, thank you for watching. You all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.